welcome to TradeFlash. TradeFlash. The show where we give you the latest high, lows and whoop-de-doos. So what's the big news stories of the day that you need to be aware of right now? What are the biggest movers of the day of stock, currencies, cryptos, commodities, indices and more? So find out everything you need to know in today's episode of TradeFlash. TradeFlash. So let's have a look at the latest news. Interest from retail investors appeared to lift the cannabis stocks broadly higher on Wednesday, signalling that the recent trading frenzy behind Reddit favourites such as GameStop is shifting to other companies. Shares of Tilray jumped 40% in the morning trading, while shares of Canopy Growth Corp and Aurora Cannabis Incorp both rallied more than 12%. Trump impeachment trial continues as damning videos and tweets from the ex-president are shown to court. Chancellor Angela Merkel is set to announce Germany will extend its lockdown until March 14th amid concerns over new strains of coronavirus. A draft document emerged early on Wednesday outlining plans between Merkel and state officials to maintain the lockdown and to urge citizens to maintain social distancing rules. So let's have a look at the indices then. The S&P 500 up 0.21% yesterday and the Dow 30 up 0.4%. Whereas the DAX, probably due to the bad news from Merkel going into lockdown for longer, negative 0.56%. So let's have a look at some of the stocks then. So BPTH, the Biopath Holdings Corporation, is up 146.73% yesterday, as well as ANCN, that is plus 94.64%, and Sundial Growers Incorporated up plus 73.94%. There are some others, and for our biggest losers, we have RAAS, they were down 31.46% today, and also PBLA negative 26.34%. In the UK, the biggest losers were. And now to currencies. The euro to the US dollar is about evens, but plus 0.07%. The US dollar against the Japanese yen is up 0.05%. The GBP is raising against the dollar at 0.17%, and the Australian dollar is down against the US dollar at negative 0.11%. Others include the US dollar against the Canadian dollar, which is pretty much bang on evens, and then the US dollar to the Swiss franc. In the crypto side of things, Bitcoin to the US dollar is now down today at negative 2.69%, as well as Ethereum down 1.78%. And in commodities, crude oil is up yesterday at 0.65%. Natural gas also up at plus 4.02%, and Brent oil up 0.49%. Having a look at the metals, gold also at 0.39%, yet silver is down almost 1%, whereas platinum nearly up 5%. And then in the agricultural side of things, mainly a loss all over as coffee, cotton, soybean, wheat all show negative balances. So let's have a look at the week's events coming up then. We've got some busy stuff coming from the UK and the US on Wednesday, which could see some fluctuations, so it's worth keeping your eye out for. So that's it for today. You are now up to date. I'll be back for tomorrow with more. Remember, like, share and subscribe so you can be bang up to date with TradeFlash. TradeFlash.